doing today. I want to first say thank you to all of my new subscribers. You won't believe where I'm at. You won't believe where I'm at. I think the last time I told you my number was 584, maybe. I'm at 595. 3, 2. I'm in 590 something. So that means I'm gaining subscribers. So I'm so happy. I'm so happy that I want to thank all of my subscribers. My new ones, yay! My old ones, yay! And the ones who are going to come in and hang out with me. Listen, today is Saturday here in New York. It's so hot Saturday, and y'all know how I've been feeling about cooking in this kitchen. But I'm gonna make me some Philly cheesesteak. Do y'all see that? Do y'all see what it says? It says beef shaved steak. This is what I'm gonna make my Philly cheesesteak with. We're gonna take it over here. We're gonna put our onions and everything. You're gonna see. You know I always show y'all what I'm gonna do. We're gonna season it. I got my grill out, and we're gonna grill it on here on that. It's like a Blackstone, I guess, because I'm getting it hot right now. We're gonna throw on some oil. We're gonna put our peppers and stuff, start cooking them. Then we're gonna put our meat on. We're gonna toast our bun. Yay, yay, yay. So come on. Let's get this cooking going. Okay, my friends. Okay, I'm back. I'm gonna put some oil. This thing is heated already because I've been heating it. I had it heating already. We're gonna spread the oil. We're gonna throw our peppers. I have them already here. They frozen. Y'all hear the sizzle? That means it's cooking. It means it's hot. So we're gonna let this cook up some our peppers. Get them nice and tender. Then we're gonna throw our meat in here and start cooking and seasoning up. There we go. Look at that. It's Saturday afternoon. What you guys having? Listen, y'all know if I ain't making a mess, it ain't with love. So I'm always making a mess because I love cooking for my family with love. I'm going to cook for him today. I don't know if he wants this, but he can want it or not. And this is what we having. Philly cheesesteak. Philly cheesesteak. Philly cheesesteak. Philly cheesesteak. That'll go on there. So now we have our meat. Beef shaved steak. This stuff is rough to open. Have anybody ever used this? Let's see. Look. That's pretty good. I'm going to cook it all. I'm going to cook every bit of it. So I'm just trying, I'm concentrating on this meat. Let me see if y'all can see it better. I'm gonna pick y'all up some, bring you over some so you can see. Cause all y'all see is this. Let me move this out the way. I just want to show y'all right quick. We're going to season it up. We're going to season it up. I'm going to season it with some beef cheese. I got the fire low. The fire's not up high. I'm going to put my garlic and herb. Y'all know I love this stuff. Let's stir up our peppers and peppers. You see how they cooking? Nice and slowly. I like this skillet. I kept saying I think I need a new one, but somebody told me, no you don't. You don't need a new one. I'm like, okay. So, I'm not going to get a new one. I'm going to cook this one. I'm going to use this one till it fall off the wheel. I'm going to cut the fire a little bit over here. Okay. What else? I'm going to put some Worcestershire sauce on the steak. Now, I'm going to stir this up. I'm going to use a tongs. Mix it up. Mix it up. Break it up. I'm cutting the fire up some. I don't want to cook it too fast though, because I don't want it to burn. Me don't want it to burn. Me just want it to cook very nice. Very, very nicely. Okay. So see how this is cooking up? And our peppers are cooking too. When the meat get done, we're going to mix all this together. Okay? Now, I'll be back. I'll be back with the mixture. Okay, my friends, we're going to mix everything together now. I think it's pretty much ready to be together. We're going to season the meat just a little bit more. We're going to taste it first. See if it seasons enough. We got our peppers going in here now. Put it there. What y'all think? Y'all think that look like a Philly cheesesteak or what? I think so. Once we get it on them rolls over there and put some cheese on it. Oh, I forgot to tell y'all I got cheese. I got cheese. Cheese, please. We got us some provolone. And we got us some mozzarella. Which one you guys like on y'all Philly cheesesteak? I'm going to put a little bit of mozzarella in it. Then I'm going to put a little provolone on top. Okay. I'm going to put a little more oil. Just to yeah, I like that now. Woohoo. We're going to put our buns on here and toast it. Y'all see how much a mess I'm making here, right? That's alright. That is alright. Because retired shenanigans, if she's not making a mess, she's not cooking with love. Y'all know that. That's my saying. Okay, we'll be back. Okay, my friends, I tasted it and it's missing something. I'm gonna put a little of this in it because it was missing something. You know what? Let's put a little pepper. Now let's test it. It was missing something, people. The taste just wasn't what I'm looking for. And my soul seasoning got to be good. I love that soul seasoning. I used to use that nothing but that. So let's taste it again now. I'm trying to keep stirring it. I don't want it to stick too much to the bottom. So that's why I put a little more oil. Let's taste it. Let's taste it. Let's taste it. Boo-doo, 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 boo-doo. Taste it. Let's taste it. All right. That's the taste I'm going for. That's good now. That's good, my friends. Yes, indeedy. I'm going to put a couple of pieces of mozzarella in it and mix it up. I don't have shredded. I have sliced mozzarella. Just a few pieces to mix in the middle. Okay, we're gonna try to break it up. We don't want to make it too clunky. We want it to melt in the middle. We want that cheese to melt in the middle. And we're going to put our provolone on top. We're going to get our bread ready so it can be ready Freddy. It seemed like a long time, but this haven't been cooking that long. You've been off and on. So, see? All right. Cheese is going good. And I got the cheese melting inside. Here we go. Oh yeah. Y'all see that, right? All right. Yep. I put some butter on that. And we getting ready to take this meat. Oh, look at how that cheese look on the inside. Ooey gooey. Ooey gooey. So I'm going to take half of this meat off of here, because I'm not going to put provolone on his until he's ready to eat it. Then we'll figure it out. We'll put it in the microwave. But I'm gonna take half of this off, and I'm gonna put my provolone cheese while my bread is toasting. Woo-hoo. And we're gonna be eating. Come back. All right, I'll put my provolone on top. My bread is toasting up here. I'm put it on that plate. Look, we got stuck here, y'all. That's okay. I'm gonna still eat it. I'm gonna still eat it because it's made with love. It's made with love. So, come on when I'm ready to taste test. I'll see you at the table. All right, my friends, look. I'm gonna put some mayonnaise on this side of the bread, because you can't have a Philly cheesesteak without mayonnaise. And I don't know if you guys do, but I like ketchup on mine too. So we're gonna put mayonnaise here. Y'all see that? Do it look like a lot? It is. I like a lot. But it's okay, because that's me. That's retired shenanigan. That's what I do. Ketchup. Oh, ketchup. I'm going to sprinkle some on here. All right. Y'all tell me what it look like. Hold on, I want y'all to look at me. All right. We're going to end this vlog right here. Here we go. Philly cheesesteak. Philly cheesesteak in the house, in the house, in the house. So, we're going to end this vlog here. I want to say thank you to all my subscribers. Like I said, I have some very nice new subscribers, along with my very, what's the word I'm looking for? Faithful old ones. I thank everybody. I thank all my subscribers, the new, the old, the ones that's coming, the one that's going to come and hang out with me. So we're going to taste this Philly cheesesteak sandwich. And all right, let's taste it. Let's taste our Philly cheesesteak. Hot, hot, hot. I'm dancing because it's so good. And y'all know I can't talk with my mouth full. So, it's good, it's good, it's good. So, I'm going to end this vlog right here with my Philly cheesesteak sandwich that we made together with love. That's the retired shenanigan way. Everything done here with love, people. I appreciate you. Thank you for coming today on my journey. Thank you coming along on my journey. Thank you for coming along on my journey today. I appreciate you guys. I will see you on the next one.